Hello, I am Taylor, and this is my Model 12 screencast assignment. So the first thing that we're going to be looking at is the IP address. And all I did was go into this website here, whatismyip.com. And it takes you to here, and my public IP number is 66.75.251.180. My local IP is 192.168.2.38. And then I ran the speed test. And currently on my internet, this is my speed test. Ping is 80. My download megabits per second is 50.87, which is pretty good. And my upload is 3.24 megabits per second. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day.